Yesterday, you got the complete roadmap for learning English from zero. Today, we're doing something much more exciting, real speaking practice together. If you watched day one, welcome back, my friend. If this is your first video in the series, make sure to watch day one first, because today, we're jumping straight into action. We're going to shadow English together, right now. Live with me. This is where real progress happens. You ready? Let's dive in. Shadowing is honestly the Hollywood secret for perfect English pronunciation, and I'm not exaggerating. Professional actors use this technique. News anchors use it every day. Singers use it. Now it's your turn to use it. Let me explain exactly why shadowing works so well for beginners like you. When you copy a native speaker's exact rhythm, speed, tone, and energy, not just the words themselves, your English automatically starts sounding natural. It's like your brain, your mouth, and your ears are learning together at the same time. You hear the right pattern, your mouth copies the movements, and your brain remembers how it feels. That's why shadowing is the absolute fastest way to build fluency. Today we're doing 20 powerful sentences together. I'll say each sentence, then give you time to repeat after me. Don't think, just repeat. Match my speed and energy. Ready? Here we go. Before we start the main practice, let me give you 3 simple rules that make shadowing work perfectly. First rule: don't translate to Urdu or your native language in your head. Just repeat the sounds you hear, like a parrot. Let your brain figure out the meaning later. Second rule: match my exact speed. Don't speak slowly like you're reading a book. English is fast and flowing, so copy my rhythm exactly. Third rule: copy my energy and feeling. If I sound happy, you sound happy. If I sound excited, match that excitement. English isn't just words, it's emotion too. Let me show you a quick demo so you see exactly how it works. Watch closely. How are you? How are you? Perfect. See how simple that was? Now we're ready for the real practice, 20 sentences that will transform your speaking. Let's start with block 1. Basic greetings that you need every single day. Repeat after me exactly as I say it. Ready? How are you today? How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What time is it? What time is it? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Excellent work on the first block. Now let's do those same 5 sentences much faster at normal conversation speed to build your confidence. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you. What time is it? See you tomorrow. Perfect. You just spoke 5 full sentences fluently. Now block 2, your complete daily routine in English. These 10 sentences describe your real life. This is where English becomes personal and powerful. Let's go. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I come home at 5 p.m. I come home at 5 p.m. I watch English videos. I watch English videos. I practice shadowing. I practice shadowing. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I sleep at 11 p.m. I sleep at 11 p.m. I love learning English. I love learning English. You just shadowed your entire day in English. That's massive progress in just 15 minutes. Before we finish, let me share the 3 most common shadowing mistakes I see beginners make and how to fix them immediately. Mistake number 1: speaking too slowly. English conversation moves fast, so match my speed exactly every time. Mistake number 2: stopping when you make a small error. Real conversation never stops, so keep going even if you mess up a word. Mistake number 3: translating in your head instead of just repeating sounds. Shadowing works best when you become a human tape recorder first, then understand later. Avoid these 3 mistakes, and your progress will be unstoppable. Your specific homework for today: And this is where champions are made. Number 1. Shadow all 15 sentences from today 3 more times before you sleep. Number 2. Record yourself on your phone speaking these sentences. Number 3. Watch your recording first thing tomorrow morning and compare to me. Number 4. Tomorrow's Day 3 video gives you 100 daily phrases you actually need. You're doing amazing work. This isn't theory anymore. This is real skill building. Real progress starts right now. If you shadowed all 15 sentences with me today, I want to celebrate you. Here's what to do right now. Number 1. Smash that like button because you earned it. Number 2. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss Day 3 tomorrow. Number 3. Comment below right now shadowing done. I want to see thousands of you writing this. Number 4. Practice these sentences 20 more minutes today. Your future fluent self thanks you. Day 3 brings 100 practical phrases for shopping, school, work, and daily life. It's going to be huge. Thank you for showing up. See you tomorrow for Day 3. Let's build real English fluency together.